Hello YouTube! Thanks for checking out our second video of the series, the Top Secret Projects. Again with us today we have Ken Ulrich, our Senior Welding Products Manager from Sanrex. And again, through the COVID, while they were working at home, Ken and his team of wonderful engineers, genius engineers, were coming up with some new products, new projects, trying to continue to lead the market in welding technologies. So Ken, on today's video, what type of top secret machine do we have?
We have the 300 AP.
Wait a minute, wait. 300 AP. We've had the 300 AP out for some time.
Yes, but you have not had it with AC soft,
AC soft.
AC triangle, and VR current.
VR current.
These are new square wave welding outputs to enhance welding arc when you're doing aluminum.
No
That
kidding.
we've come out with. Yes.
Okay,
sir.
so this is exciting. I want to learn more about this.
And we will. Back here from Sanrex with Joe Moore from Moore WPS, going over this 300 PW with the new advantages that we've come out with. Let's go over a couple of them just to give you a rundown, simple explanation of what we've got here. We now have AC like we had before. Typical square wave we've always had for AC welding on aluminum. We now go to AC soft. That gives you a nice soft buttery arc, much better wet in on certain types of aluminums that you're welding on. We also have a triangle wave shape that gives you a little more control when welding. And we have new AC wave shapes. What they are is we got the same old we've had in the past, the square wave output, good for general aluminum welding, eliminates the need for HF start. Then we've got AC soft. That is new. Gives you a soft buttery arc and helps the weld wet in a little better, kind of relaxes some of that surface tension. We also have the new triangle wave. The triangle wave gives you a little faster travel speeds and reduces your heat input. The big one I want to tell you about is the VR current. That one will give you more heat into the workpiece with less heat going into your torch and your electrode. So the advantage here is it eliminates the wear on your electrode, keeps your torch cool, but more of your welding power is going into the workpiece than just into the air.
Wow, Ken, that is really something. So you're telling me that just through this COVID, we made those updates.
We did.
And they're out. This is actually out now, right?
It is out.
So
you
this
can buy
is
it
out and
today.
available. Okay. Now with these changes, it sounds like that moves this machine into a different realm than where it has been. So up until this point, it's been preferred by the guys who are doing high quality, high tech welds for the space program, for aerospace, aircraft. Yes. But these guys are using it handheld.
Correct.
So now we can actually take this machine and maybe apply it into some high technology automation.
Yes, on your basic automation interface, you can now hook this machine into it. Within that 14 pin, you've got the simple connections for hard automation and even some simple robotic connections through that interface.
That really increases the capabilities and the value of this machine. That's pretty amazing. Mm-hmm. You guys have done a bang up job on this. So at this point, can you go through some of the other features and benefits just overall in general? I know we went through it one time at FabTech.
Right.
But let's just do it again.
Well, some of the big things, and I think probably in automation and for any system where you're running a water-cooled TIG torch, I think one of the advantages is down here, you notice there's two connections down here. One is your gas, typical gas for your shielding gas for your TIG torch. The other one is water. Now what that is, there's not a recirculator in it or anything like that. What it is a flow switch. What this monitors is when you're welding, if you lose flow in your torch, if for some reason the recirculator quits running, you lose power on your recirculator, the machine notices that, shuts down the welding arc, which saves your torch. You don't burn up a torch. So that's what this circuit is. This is strictly to protect your torch.
That's a great feature.
It does have voltage reduction device. What this is for stick mode. This machine stick welds just as good as any stick weld machine only. This one will run the 6010 electrodes.
Now what is our input voltage on this machine?
This runs on 208, 230, single or three-phase, or 460, 480, three-phase.
So pretty much everything we have
Right.
here in the 48, the lower 48 US,
Yep,
other than 110.
that's correct.
Wow.
That's correct. So yeah, VRD is your safety feature for stick welding. It'll drop the open circuit voltage into a safe mode where nobody will get shocked. That's what that is in there. It's in all our machines, and it's always there, ready to go. Other than that, it's still the same machine as far as the controls go as we've always had. You always set this thing up running from the program from left to right, and you just use the scroll buttons to scroll through the parameters. And to set the parameters, you use the dial on the front. And you can scroll back and forth to set up your connections. Straightforward, pretty simple, easy to use. Standard 14-pin connection for your foot control and remote controls.
Or now robotic or fixed automation interface.
Yep, simple interface. Will give you your OK to move, your remote current controls, contactor, all that is in there. It's all part of that 14-pin. So, looks the same. All we did is update the software, added those new wave shape features, and giving you this new updated machine.
All right, well thank you very much, Ken. We really appreciate that. It's amazing what you guys can do with technology these days in these machines. And you've done this through the COVID crisis as everyone's working at home, bringing just a lot more value to Sandrex and your team and what you guys do. So very much appreciated. So that adds a whole new dimension to this machine. And I'm excited to get out there and try this for myself. So look for some videos coming of this machine in action and hopefully even with some automated applications. So that's very exciting. Again, thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell so that you're notified of any new videos that we post. And in this series we have one more video, another top secret project. And remember, on these top secret projects, don't tell anyone about them because this is for your information only. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.